Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Carmela's Art Journey, the journey that is ours. This is the second part of our Enchanted Forest, which I posted a few days ago, a short video about the watercolor part of the mushrooms. I have already prepared the background with the purple carrot juice, as you can still see in the background of the forest. Then I painted with the watercolors and the ink intense colors of the wand. I painted all the surroundings, first the backgrounds, and coming layer by layer to the front until I started working on the mushrooms and the berries. And I finished all the watercolor part, and in this video I just want to show you how to enhance your details and the depth and the volume also with colored pencils. I love to do that, especially on this Hahnemühle paper, because it's a very velvety one, very soft and smooth, and after you paint, and it takes the painting, the watercolors very well, keeping that velvety surface. It is very smooth to work with the colored pencils, and the colored pencils can give you much more details, sharper details, I would say, and you can enhance also the brilliance of the colors with the colored pencils. After that, I decided to myself that I would use some iridescent watercolors that I prepared myself with some pigments, which I mixed and prepared with the binder a few weeks ago, which I really do love. And the good thing is, when you work with the colored pencils and they are mostly oil or wax based, you can simply go with your watercolors over it, because it won't blur or bleed in any way, so you can still enhance even more with some other colors and some glittery stuff like the ones I am showing here, and you will see how magical it looks at the end, especially because I want to talk here about the fairies and the forest and all that very intense and magical atmosphere of the forest, with the fairies and the moths and the mushrooms and all that stuff that we love. So that's why I think the colored pencils and the iridescent, this glittery media, helps us get there. Look at that. I simply love it. Hope you love it too. And if you want to know more, just get in contact with me, and stay positive as always. Bye bye.